This is part 3 of my floral blooms crochet blanket. In this video I will show you how to work the triangular motifs and how to join the triangles and flowers together with invisible decorative theme. There are two different designs. I'm going to show you how to crochet T1, and T2 has similar structure with some extra stitches. First we're going to create a magic ring. Okay, if you look at diagram, you can see you will have to chain one and work one single crochet US or one double crochet UK. One. Next we have to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 3 times double crochet UK turn stitches or 3 times single crochet US into the space. 1, 2, 3. Next we will have to chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and now we have to work 5 times single crochet US or 5 times double crochet UK into the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next we're going to chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and now we will have to work only 2 times double crochet UK turn stitches or 2 times single crochet US turn stitches. 1 and 2, and we have our third stitch here. Okay, next we have to join with the slip stitch. Next we're going to work one slip stitch into space to transfer our stitches, and we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to twist my chain. It will look more like stitch than 2 chain stitches. And now yarn over and work 1 double US or 1 treble UK into the same space. 1. Next, yarn over and work half double US or half treble UK. 1. Next we are going to work 3 single US or 3 double UK stitches into back loop only, 1 stitch per stitch. Insert your hook into the back loop. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to work half double US or half treble UK. 1. Next we're going to work 3 times double US or 3 times treble UK into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Next work half double US or half treble UK into the same space. And now we have to work 5 times single US or 5 times double UK into the back loop only. Once again, 1 stitch per stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to repeat the same corner, half double US or half treble UK. 1, 3 times double US or 3 times treble UK. 1, 2, 3, half double US or half treble UK. Now we're going to work 3 times a back loop single US or back loop double UK, 1 stitch per stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Insert the hook into the top stitch and join with the slip stitch. Now chain 1 and work single US or double UK. 1. Next we're going to work back loop, half WS or half treble UK, WS or treble UK into the same space. Now half WS or half treble UK again into the same space. And now we have to work 5 single US, back loop single US or back loop WK. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into the back loop half WS or half treble UK. Next we will have to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure your stitches are not too tight. It is important to work stitches at the back of your chain into the bumps, because we need the main chain to be visible, and we are going to use one of the loop to join pieces with the decorative seams afterwards. Yeah, and you have to work single US or double UK into the bump of the stitch. 1, and second stitch again single US or double UK into the next we're going to work half WS or half treble UK, again half WS or half treble UK into the next stitch. Now I'm going to work WS or treble UK into the next stitch, and once again WS or treble UK. Next we're going to work treble US or double treble UK, yarn over twice into a stitch, pull once, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Once again yarn over twice, one, 3. Now we're going to work cluster stitch, convert 2 stitches into 1, and by using both back loops only, yarn over into a stitch, pull once, and have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over into the next back loop, pull once, and pull through all 5 loops. Next we're going to work 7 back loop single US or 7 back loop WK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Next we will have to work a cluster of 2, half WS or half treble UK, yarn over into back loop, pull once, now yarn over into next back loop and pull once, and now yarn over and pull through all the loops. Now we have to chain 9. Once again, don't make your chain stitches too tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we have to work stitches into the bumps. Single UK, single US or WK, 1. Now again single US stitch or double UK stitch. We're going to work a half WS or half treble UK into the next stitch, 1, again 1/2 WS or half treble UK, 1, and WS or treble UK, and once again WS or treble UK, and now we're going to yarn over twice and work treble US or double treble UK. Pull once, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops, yarn over twice, pull once, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Next we will have to work half WS or half treble UK into the next back loop of the triangle, yarn over into stitch once. Now we have to work 4 last stitches. Remember we have 1 single US or 1 double UK stitch at the beginning of this round. Therefore we need to work only 4 back loop single US or 4 back loop UK. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and join with the slip stitch. I'm going to cut this yarn short, but when you're working on the original piece, after completing each piece, keep the yarn tail approximately 3 times the length around it and use this tail to join pieces together afterwards. Next we will join flowers and triangular motifs together with invisible decorative stitch. It is decorative because it creates a structural pattern when joining the pieces together, and it is invisible because if you look at the final result, no one will guess there is a seam. It has a seamless final result. Back to the page number 8. First you will have to connect 3 smaller flowers, and after that join them with triangles and the larger flower. To achieve the best result, it should be laid on a flat surface. Place the triangle between flowers, but before that transfer the yarn tail to the top of the motif and join pieces by catching back loop stitches only, by inserting your needle from front to back in the first loop and from back to front in the second loop to achieve a decorative seamless connection. The best way is to connect. Please place your work on a flat surface and do not pull the yarn string too tight during this joining process. The part 3 is coming to an end. Thank you for watching. Best of luck with the project. Have a lovely day or evening, and see you soon.